BULL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. This is next week. Is Webull stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Especially looking at Webull now, I'm looking to take it further up and buy more. This doesn't mean that I'm immediately going to start buying or anything. It's just that I have this demand zone here for me as well, and it kind of got mitigated. Honestly, like, I'm definitely biased towards the upside here. Not just that I'm biased, I'm just following ranges, and it's a bullish range. And also, you know, having done well over 45,000 videos, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Clearly, I'll tell you this, even though it's a bullish range, it doesn't necessarily make it an immediate buy. You know what I mean? So here's this demand zone. Here is the top. And I mean, all that to say, I was definitely kind of late here. Well, probably, I mean, possibly I will only be getting involved if the price corrects down for like a 5th time and then buy, which I really doubt. But I will continue to keep you updated here, like, for obviously whatever happens, but I'll keep you updated. And with BULL, I've got like about 26 receipts with this. So there's really like not lack of coverage. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, free email, stock picks, and all the good stuff, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.